Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn two major vowel sound. One is short sound and the next one is long sound. It may look like English alphabet I, but it's not I, it's mainly E sound. One is short and another one is long. You may hear people saying around you that it is like our native alphabet. We can sound like our native, but it is not. There are some differences between short and long sound. If you cannot use it properly, then maybe sometimes you will fail to make understand the exact meaning you are supposed to. So let's look at some differences between these two sounds. Bit, beat, hit, heat, ship, sheep. Sounds funny, but it's right. Bit, beat. Happy learning.